Take a look at gold, because gold for me was always a short trade these last couple of weeks. Now we're going to do a top-down analysis here, guys. So here's the monthly time frame, and you can see on our momentum indicator here we started getting these yellow lines back in August 2024, and that gives us a heads up that we're getting pretty overbought in a market. And then this momentum storyteller here went exceptionally overbought, more than it's pretty much ever done. If I look back, gold was extremely overbought. Now, we actually did hit 3,503 troy ounces here in our pro trade system target. So basically just hit it exactly, well, yeah, exactly at it, and came off. Now, these extended targets here are great reversal points. You can see we often get sort of a rejection once we get into those profit targets. So it's a really nice move up, but it was completely overbought. So let's start going down now to the daily time frame, and you can see here we started to get warning signs when we had our first decent couple of days down, a rally to try and go and break new highs, which we didn't do. And then on Sunday into Monday of last week, the week that's just gone, our trading week, we got sell signals. Okay, so 3,273 was our entry here, and our profit target is 3,092, which gives us a 1.4 risk reward ratio. Now we're going to move our stop down, turn our trading stop feature on, so we're going to lock in more profit here. But that was gold. Looking at the bigger time frame, giving us the heads up that we're in a position, we're in the right place at the right time, and then we're looking now for the trigger. Gold for me, I think, could really sell off quite hard here. Everybody's long gold. Yeah, it's a great market to trade. It's a great market to be long, and it has been a great market. But when you get extensions like this, when everyone is long, there's no more buyers, guys, and the market starts to push lower. I think we're in a massive bull market on gold. But I'm saying that we could have several months down here, and it's a trading opportunity. And if you're an investor in gold, you know, it might be, for me, if I was invested in gold, it would be a great place to take some profits and then maybe buy back down here. When we get the storyteller histogram starting to drop off, there's going to be another trading opportunity. But for me, it was completely overbought. That's why we started to short gold, which is doing very well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Give us a like. Keep it on the right side of these markets. Plenty of psychology and trading on our channel as well. Give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and also share this video if you like the video, guys. Take care.